My LillyPops, welcome to the party. Happy Halloween to all my LillyPops. This Flexi Rod Set is so bomb. That's why I'm smelling myself like this in this clip. But I'm at day 6 right now and my hair is a dry mess. So if you need a tip for how to stretch that hairstyle just one more day until wash day or your next style, keep watching. My LillyPops pop off. Yeah, you should be smiling right now too because we're not using any new ingredients for this DIY. If you haven't watched my DIY avocado deep conditioner video, you may want to pause this and do that because we're using 1.5 tablespoons of that deep conditioner to serve as a base for our all natural leave-in conditioner. Then go in and add just 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil to your spray or applicator bottle, and then follow that up with 1/2 cup of water and shake that baby up. My hair is just screaming, rain down on me. I know it needs some moisture so badly. So what I'm going to do is start off with the best moisturizer there is, that good old H2O, and then follow that up by applying a generous amount of our all-natural leave-in conditioner that we just made. I will also be using just a tad bit of my shea butter moisturizer that I made in a previous video, and I'll link that in the description bar to make sure that my hair is moisturized before I go into styling. Ooh, look at that consistency. I made a fresh batch of flaxseed gel, and this time around the consistency is way better than the first time. It was so watered down, but I'm going to be applying that to my hair because I'm going for the Untidy Teas updo, and you guys will see how I achieve that look. So my LillyPops, keep watching, and we are not using scrunchies. I don't want any tension on my head. I will simply be using bobby pins to achieve this style. Finito, yeah, we're finito. I fixed that bobby pin in the mirror. Don't trip, yo. My LillyPops, we're done. This style literally takes less than 5 minutes. It's easy. All natural products pushing me into the next day until I get to wash day, and I can still look presentable. My LillyPops pop off.